my name is Natalia and today I'm gonna show you something very special because last week in the polls the results were kind of neck and neck between Valentines and home decor, so I thought, you know what? Let's just combine them both. And that resulted in this. A cute little decor. It's just like a trophy. A love trophy. It's really easy to create and the best part of it is that you can customize it to your liking. So for example, if you're a family of 3, 4, 5, you can add more hearts to it. Or if you're expecting, you can add a tiny little heart inside of it. Or if you're just so much in love with your partner that you just light up your life, you can add a single heart inside of it and then give it away. I would love to know what you want me to create next, so be sure to vote here in the poll above. And if you want to see the upcoming videos here in this channel, you need to subscribe and remember to hit the bell button below so you don't miss out. So let's just begin creating. Here's what you need. Do you have all the materials ready? Awesome! High five! Let's begin! Now take your flat screwdriver.
Wait!
What?
You need to protect your hands. You need some gloves.
Oh yeah, you're right. 1 second. There. All good. Alright, so take your screwdriver.
Stop! Are you wearing glasses?
The protective ones?
Yeah,
No, but I should.
you should.
Okay, glasses on. Thanks for the reminder.
Timmy,
Oh, well, thanks, Timmy.
anytime.
Now that we are properly protected, thanks to Timmy, take your flat screwdriver and then try to wiggle this button-like thing out from the bottom of the light bulb. Now continue using your screwdriver or your plier to remove this black piece of the light bulb, but be careful because it's very sharp. When that's gone, remove anything that might be in the bottom of the light bulb until you reach the glass bits. You need to use your flat screwdriver again because we need to remove the inner piece of the glass. You need to hit the glass sideways, never downwards, because you will break the bulb. Now start hacking away sideways into the bulb until the filament breaks loose. Continue hacking away on the sides of the glass to make the opening bigger. Stop making the hole bigger when you feel like it's big enough for your plier to get through. Then grab hold on the filament and break it, and then pull it out. And make sure to properly remove all of the glass pieces so you don't accidentally cut yourself. To remove any glass pieces in the light bulb, pour in a small amount of salt, then shake it, and then pour it out. If there's any writing on your light bulb, take a glass scraper and just gently scrape it off. Now we need to create some wire hearts that fits inside the light bulb, and there are 2 ways of creating them. This is one version. So take a piece of wire and then bend it in half, and then start twisting the ends together. And make sure that the loop you're left with is round. If it's not, use your pliers to make it round. Then place your plier on top of the circle and then bend it inwards. Then bend the sides upwards. Then squeeze the 2 sides together, and then you'll have created the heart shape. The second version starts in the same way by taking a piece of wire, fold it in half, with the 2 ends twisted together. But this time, you need to make sure that the loop you end up with isn't too big. And also, try to shape the loop as a balloon. Now take your plier and then grab the balloon almost at the bottom and then bend it downwards. Try to flatten it out a bit and then make the pointy end of the heart. And that's the second version of the wire heart. Now choose the type of heart you like and then make as many as you want. And before painting them, make sure that the hearts can be inserted in the light bulb without any friction. Paint them a couple of times, front and back, and then leave them to dry. This piece of wood here is actually an old lid that had a piece of fabric going through it, hence the hole here. So try to find or make something similar to this. Now take your hearts and then place them inside the hole. You can also use your plier to pull them through the hole and secure them. You can repaint the hearts if some of the paint has cracked. Cut off any excess parts of the hearts and then put a little droplet of glue to secure them completely. Also, put some glue right at the base of the hearts. Now gather all your hearts and then gently insert them into the light bulb. Now put some glue in between the light bulb and the wood and make sure the bulb doesn't move. And that's it! Your love light is complete! I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a like if you did, and be sure to check out these DIYs here to get some more inspiration. And if you want to see the upcoming videos in this channel, then you subscribe and be a part of our lovely Tinker family here and Natalia's Toolbox. So subscribe, and I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!